there could be much more possible because we just had a short period of time. But it was amazing, especially to me. I grew up in a choir. My father was a leader of a choir, and so to me it was really intense, the feeling, you know, and I liked it very much. I hope to do it again, actually.
Andreas, you just played with the choir Aroha.
Yes.
How did it go for you?
I think it worked pretty well. So when we tried to practice a little bit before, I was very surprised how close this choir is. So you can hear from the first moment that this choir worked for a long time together and that they really try to find a nice sound. And that's for us it's very surprising to see this here, and I think we had a good time.
As a jazz team, jazz band, how does it work, you know, collaborating with a choir? Is it hard to collaborate?
Yeah, sometimes it's hard because, you know, a choir, there's lots of people, and until you keep them going with the rhythm, it could take some time. But with this choir it worked from the first moment because they had a very good rhythmical feeling, so we didn't have to practice that much. And that was also a surprising and very nice thing for us.
You must have heard the traditional way of singing also, right?
Yes, just a little bit.
So what do you think, is there a possibility of mixing and matching these kind of songs with the way you play jazz?
Yeah. You know, I'm stuck with the Western music, so I don't know that much about the Indian traditional music and classical music. So everything which I can get from them is something which I learn, which I have never heard before. So everything is nice to me, and I try to integrate it in the music. And I cannot say what an Indian musician would say about this, but for me it was a nice experience.